Is your iPhone Bluetooth acting up, refusing to connect to your headphones or car? Don't worry, let's get this fixed in under 2 minutes with 5 simple steps. First, the classic fix. Go into your settings, tap on Bluetooth, and toggle it off. Wait just a few seconds, then turn it back on. This simple refresh often does the trick. Still no luck? Let's try step 2. Restart your iPhone. A quick restart can clear out any temporary glitches that might be causing the connection problem. If that doesn't work, head back to your Bluetooth settings. Find the device you're having trouble with, tap the little eye icon next to it, and then select Forget this device. Now, try pairing it again from scratch. For more stubborn issues, we'll reset your network settings. Go to Settings. Then General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. This will also reset your Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to re-enter them. Finally, make sure your iPhone is up to date. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Apple often includes bug fixes in these updates. Hopefully, one of these steps got your Bluetooth working again. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.